हाय गाइस। सो आज मैं प्राइमार्क आई हूँ। मैंने बाकी वाले वीडियोस में भी बोला था कि प्राइमार्क इज़ अ वेरी पॉपुलर स्टोर। यहाँ पे बहुत सस्ते में चीज़ें मिलती है। वेल कंपेयर टू इंडिया ज़्यादा महंगा होता है, ओवरऑल इट इज़ मच सस्ता। सो आई एम जस्ट गोना टेक यू अराउंड, एंड इफ़ यू सी सम प्रोडक्ट्स जिसके प्राइसेस कम हो और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, देन डू नॉट बाई इट इन इंडिया, यू कैन बाई इट हियर, लाइक विंटर क्लोथ्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, वेरी फैशनेबल एंड वेरी अफोर्डेबल थिंग्स इज वेल। सो आई एम गोना टेक यू अराउंड। सो दिस प्राइमार्क इज़ प्रीटी बिग। सो हम देखते हैं। So this Primark is on Tottenham Court Road, which is near Oxford Street and has 4 floors. So चलो अंदर देखते हैं how the products look like. So this is the overall layout, right? So 0 floor मतलब ground floor पे it was just women and beauty section. Then first floor में women's like कपड़े, women's shoes, accessories. Then topmost floor पे there was lingerie, kids and coffee shop. So honestly I did not see the coffee shop, but था वहाँ पे तो. And 0-1 के लिए men's and home section. So I would say कि Primark के कपड़े are not the most fashionable कपड़े out there. Like, I mean there are some clothes which are pretty good, like not bad. And this is the overall price, like £10 का ये shrug है. So compared to many other brands, it's much more cheaper. But I think it's pretty good. Like I तो personally love Primark, and I think some basic outfits तो बहुत सारे मिलते हैं. You have like good winter clothes with good summer clothes. लाइक आई हैव बिन यूजिंग प्राइमार्क फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, और यहाँ के जो लंदन के या यूके के वॉशर्स होते हैं, लाइक वॉशर्स एंड ड्रायर्स, उसमें भी लाइक दे आर लास्टिंग वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. सो दैट इज़ प्रिटी गुड. सो वन फनी थिंग अबाउट प्राइमार्क इज़ बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स, मतलब जो कपड़ों का प्रिंट होता है ना, इट इज़ सम अमेरिकन सिटीज़. लाइक यहाँ पे आपने मायामी कुछ तो था, यहाँ पे लॉस एंजलिस, सो ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो वेरी फनी कि आई डोंट नो लंडन या मैनचेस्टर को भी लिखते नहीं. सो नाउ कमिंग टू लाइक दीज आर द बैग्स जो रखे हैं. सो £35 के लिए देर आर लाइक रियली नाइस बिग बैग्स यू कैन बाय इफ यू वांट टू ट्रैवल समवेयर. सो दैट्स प्रीटी अफोर्डेबल, राइट? सो अगेन दिस इज़ द ग्राउंड फ्लोर विच इज़ बेसिकली द वुमेन एंड द ब्यूटी सेक्शन. सो यहाँ पे एस्केलेटर्स दिख रहे हैं जो ऊपर जाते हैं. सो Primark has a lot of collaborations with different brands or different people. सो लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये कोई तो डिज़ाइनर के साथ कोलैब है. सो दीज आर ऑल लिमिटेड एडिशन वंस. सो यू कैन गेट अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस लाइक दैट, गर्ल्स के लिए, गाइज के लिए. बट बिकॉज दिस इज़ द ग्राउंड फ्लोर, दिस इज़ अ वुमेंस सेक्शन प्राइमरीली. सो यहाँ पे मोस्टली लड़कियों के सब ज़्यादा आपको दिखेंगे. सो इफ यू वॉक फर्दर, सो अगेन आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर द वॉबली वीडियो, बट है वैसे जो भी है, बिकॉज लाइक आई वॉज डैम ऑकवर्ड बिकॉज एक्चुअली स्पोक विद द मैनेजर देयर, एंड उन्होंने बोला कि इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट अलाउड टू शूट इन साइड. सो देन मैंने थोड़े प्यार से बात की. ही वाज लाइक ओके यू कैन गो अहेड, बट लाइक किसी को बताना मत कि मैंने लाइक हाँ बोला है. तो थोड़ा सीक्रेटिव एंड ट्राई नॉट टू टेक पीपल्स फेसेस. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग. बट लाइक एज यू कैन सी ये £13 का दैट वाज द टी शर्ट राइट देयर. एंड सो दीज कैनवस शूज ऑल्सो लाइक कितने के थे, कैन आई सी फ्रॉम हियर? या दिस वाज लाइक £6. So which is very affordable, because of course the original Converse is definitely better. But so like these shirts are for £11, so 1,100 rupees more or less. So which is good only. Like I won't say it's like the cheapest thing available, but definitely like India mein we get shirts for 200-300 रुपए. And yeah, I mean I don't know about the quality and all, but हाँ बहुत cheaper options है. But I think in UK specifically this is a good option. So going ahead, I'm just gonna take you around like different कपड़े you can see right here. So now this is the beauty section. So यहाँ पे एक आपको बड़ा स्टूडियो दिख रहा है जहाँ पे वो आईब्रोज करते हैं. So I've never done it because eyebrows could be like I don't know कितने के थे actually. Like usually it's थोड़ा सा expensive, but वहाँ पीछे वो सब करते हैं. This is the beauty section. So I think it's very affordable in terms of like gift giving. So यहाँ पे like all these bath bombs are like £1.50. Like ₹150 के लिए, like if you just make like a hamper of like 4-5 things, it looks cute also, and it's like Primark है, like it's a popular brand, so like the products are also not that bad honestly. So like beauty section is my favorite. So यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो there are अलग अलग things which are happening. Again, so sorry for the super wobbly video, but these are some other beauty accessories right here. तो मतलब इट्स एवरीथिंग, लाइक यू हैव फेस वॉशेज, यू हैव मेकअप. सो इट्स नॉट दैट सब प्राइमार्क में सब होता है. लाइक सम प्राइमार्क्स आर प्रीटी स्मॉल, लाइक द वन मेरे घर के यहाँ, इट इज़ लाइक just one floor and they don't have like all the sections. So यहाँ पे मैं हूँ just like trying to be casual with my phone and just I don't know moving around a lot. But these are some perfumes. If like there is a lot of things, like if you like fake nails ये सब, so it's really fun to go around and just buy something. but wouldn't lie. Like some things are damn cute here. Like not that one specifically, but otherwise, like if you see Vaseline and all, like basic lip balm is for like 80 rupees. Then you have some other lip balm. Actually, I got it from my friend. So yeah, because उसको पूरा sunburns हो गए थे. Anyway, so there is Vaseline for 80 pounds. 80 pounds नहीं 80 pence sorry. Then cute lip balms like Coke or Pepsi whatever के branding के साथ. Like I really like this. I was gifted one of those a while ago. So this is my favorite wall. So यहाँ पे सब beauty products है like face mask and like wet wipes and bath loofahs. Like it's so exciting. I तो love it. So like guys जिसको मेरे को gift करना है ऐसे cute things, please go ahead. I'll be more than happy to receive it. So coming to the ऊपर वाला part. So यहाँ पे भी और बहुत कपड़े हैं. So like कपड़ों की कमी नहीं है, like all kinds of fashion. So now because it's summery ज़्यादा, so you have a lot of sleeveless कपड़ा and a lot of neon which are all summery colors. But like in winter, Primark looks completely different. Like I don't know why, but like it's like a thing कि UK में ज़्यादा लोग ऐसे color नहीं पहनते. Like usually even if you go out, I don't like typical British people. Like mostly people wear like neutrals or like darker colors or things like that. So like I have never seen anybody wear such neon kapda. But in Primark I saw that a lot. Like बहुत लोगों ने neon कपड़े पहने. So that's pretty much it. Lol. So as you can see, the floor is काफ़ी बड़ा. Like मतलब like वहाँ पे was the entrance where we came from. यहाँ पे ऊपर वाले floors के लिए there are stairs, but who takes stairs anyways? Escalator all the way. So this is another entrance right there. और यहाँ पे there was this collaboration with a brand called Greg's, if you know, कि it's a food joint. So this was the second entrance. जहाँ like this is actually the main entrance. So I came from the another entrance because मैं बस से आई थी. But if you come from the Tottenham station, like from the tube, then that is your place. And here there are even more neon clothes. Baapre, so much neon. But guys, comment below, like girls, like oh, see that lady is wearing neon slippers right there. But like if you see the prices, so this skirt is kind of cute, which is just 11 pounds. Then matlab hai options, like this chappal is for 7 pounds. So there are like different options and different price ranges. So like one thing which is very popular, which thoda sa better than India, are the amount of swimming costumes. So this swimming costume bottom was for like 5 pounds. Then this neon again one, like this one was for 6 pounds. So 600-700 रुपए में there are really cool and really cute options. थोड़े से ज़्यादा revealing हो सकते हैं to be honest, but like this is one of the racks, but there were like a couple of other racks also जहाँ पे अलग अलग types of swimming costumes थे. So you can buy that if you like them. So that's a good option. So also Primark has like really good basics. Like ये skirts are for 5 pounds. So 5 रुपए के लिए really cute skirts. Then all these basic black pants. तो मतलब all of this is so comfortable. और मेरे सब mostly all my night suits are from Primark only. Like long pants ये सब like 4 to 5 pounds. Like basic shirts or like 5 to 10 pounds के लिए pants, which is really good. And the checkout line is always very long. So as you can see here. So now again we come back to the beauty section. So this was one round I took on the ground floor. Now let us go up to the first floor. So अभी Primark में तो most of the time, like most of my shopping I've done at Primark, okay? Because यहाँ पे इतने सारे चीज़ें and this is like massive. So if you can see behind me, there are so many things to buy. So now we are going to the next floor, right? So this is the next floor. So उसके ऊपर वाला. So basically यहाँ पे you can again find a lot of women's section. So mostly लड़कियों का, this is women's accessories and things like that. So ये भी ऐसे पूरा बड़ा सा floor है, if you can see here, like so many different brands and so many different collaborations. So like for example, this one is a collaboration with Disney again. So if you are like a Disney fan like me, I love Disney. But I don't think I would buy like Mickey Mouse के stuff and all. But like in general, I like Disney movies and like Disneyland and things like that. So like this random photo frame, like just very random stuff. Like I don't know who even buys that, but there are a lot of collabs. So like basic Mickey ke books you can see, Minnie ka light, and like if somebody is into that. So basically for gift giving I love. So when I went back to India thode like 1 month ago, so I had got a lot of things from Primark itself because it was cute also, good quality also, and cheap also. So they random नीचे वाला किसी ने ऊपर रख दिया. But this is a Switch वाला area. If you like Stitch, Leo and Stitch. So this blanket is super cute, like for babies, for 14 pounds. So like मेरे को तो बहुत पसंद है. For all the guys here, if you love Marvel, तो you have Marvel merch, like bed sheet and random things like that. जो मतलब home section में there are a lot of bed sheets, but that's I think more sophisticated. So even stationery, सो यू नो आई डोंट हैड मेंशन इन सम वीडियो, पर मैंने WH स्मिथ से स्टेशनरी लिया था, विच वॉज प्रिटी एक्सपेंसिव फॉर मी, विच वॉज लाइक 3.5 पाउंड फॉर वन बुक, लाइक लिटरली 350 वन बुक के लिए. सो आई वॉज होपिंग कि प्राइमार्क में थोड़े और सस्ते ऑप्शंस हो, बट यहाँ पे तो मेरे को स्पेसिफिकली नहीं दिखे. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस बिग बुक वॉज फॉर कितना है, दिस वॉज लाइक फॉर £4 और 4.50. लाइक मेरे को क्लियरली दिखा नहीं अभी वाइल गिविंग दिस वॉइस ओवर, बट इट वॉज आई थिंक फॉर दैट लाइक इट इज़ मोर एक्सपेंसिव. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू बाय बुक्स एंड ऑल, आई थिंक बाय फ्रॉम Poundland, जिसके 1 पाउंड के होते हैं. एनी वे मूविंग ऑन, सो दिस इज अगेन लाइक द जॉइनिंग सेक्शन. तो यहाँ पे आपके लिए लैपटॉप बैग्स है. सो माई पर्स आई एम यूजिंग, आई थिंक इट इज़ फ्रॉम Primark. No, I think it's from ASOS. But like because laptop bags and everything, मतलब कॉलेज में लेके जाना हो तो you have a lot of options here. This looks थोड़ा सा childish for me, like all these colors and थोड़ा सा patterns. But there is everything for everyone. Like ऐसे कुछ है नहीं, like there is specific. But again, like summery कपड़ा now. So by the time like you guys will come in September, October, no, तो उसके बाद थोड़ा सा you will see like a big change. थोड़ा सा actually very big change in Primark when you will see more darker colors in that sense. So yeah, so let us come to the shoes section. Okay, so यहाँ पे these cute white shoes are for like 12 pounds. So like shoes तो यहाँ पे भाई इतने सारे, if you like white shoes इतने सारे options, like some shoes with some character इतने सारे option, and all for like 10, 12, 15 pounds, even less. Some shoes के लिए like even like 5 pounds तक you will find shoes. तो ये वाले like for example are for 12 pounds, और like there are so many options really. But like make sure कि आप खरीदने से पहले ना do the walk test, like just you know, because यहाँ पे UK में बहुत चलना पड़ता है. sometimes it can be like it's very uncomfortable in that sense कि आपके पैर दुख सकते हैं, things like that. So like look at these white shoes, this is only for like 400 रुपये. like how is it different than buying on Linking Road, you know. So यहाँ पे बहुत शूज़ के ऑप्शन है, पार्टी सैंडल्स के ऑप्शंस है. सो इवन कमिंग टू सॉक्स, लाइक अब अगर आप वहाँ से सॉक्स लेके आ रहे हो तो भी ज़रूरत ही नहीं. लाइक ऑल दिस like a pack of 5 socks was for like for 3 pounds. So again, which is a very good option you can consider. And just look at the amount of socks, like you know, if you like if you're like a BTS fan or ये वो तो उसके लिए भी अलग branding socks है. like you just have so many options, you know. So बहुत टाइम मैंने socks दिखा दिए, but like look at this row. So these are all shoes, okay. So like from casual wear shoes to like these party wear shoes, like just you will find everything and anything in Primark. So talking about these shoes, like boots जो भी है, तो people usually wear this in winters. So even I own a couple of pairs ऐसे. So like just wear like nice skirt and like stockings inside and nice boots. So ये सब winter wear है. This one is pretty ugly though, but yeah, like you get what I mean. So walking a bit further, this is the accessory section. So ये 2 pounds के goggles and things like that. So you know in accessories also you have a lot of like makeup bags and things like that की necklace है, rubber bands है, hair clips है, hair bands है. So like different kinds of accessories, and especially in winter, like to get like cute scarves or like वो winter की टोपी नहीं होती, और all of those things I buy from Primark. So 3 pounds के rings, I think just सस्ते में like just to jazz your outfit up. I think really good options, really good purses as well. मतलब you know, like look at this purse, like 800 रुपये के लिए all these purses. And you know, I don't know, like if you get this back in India, this is 700 pound का, you don't understand कि इतने मतलब 700 रुपये का पर्स है. There are some options which are like 500-400 रुपये के भी, like you know, there are too many options like that. So just whatever you like. So I'm just going to take you guys around so that आप ऐसे unnecessary चीज़ नहीं कैरी करो, and just you know what you can get in the UK. So आपने देखा कि there are like so many options, like कपड़े तो ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहे, तो मैं आपको इतना और बताऊँगी नहीं. But now let's go to the 3rd floor. So this was pretty much it, like this was the view from the 2nd floor, sorry. But now let us go to the 3rd floor. So now I'm getting up the escalator. So यहाँ से आप देख सकते हो कि हमने ये पूरा एरिया देख लिया. So actually मैं आपको इतना डिटेल में नहीं बताया because it is pretty huge and massive, और इतना लंबा वीडियो, like you can just come, but like you can like kind of gauge, you know, the amounts or things like that. So now me going up the 2nd floor. So honestly like मेरा वीडियो थोड़ा सा इतना wobbly है because like I had a mic on और मैं बात कर रही थी कैमरा में, and I was talking and also showing you guys around. पर बैकग्राउंड का नॉइज़ इतना आ रहा है कि आई हैव टू लाइक रीशूट द वॉइस ओवर. सो अभी मैं जस्ट सिटिंग इन माई रूम एंड जस्ट टॉकिंग टू लाइक लुकिंग एट द वीडियो, विच इज़ प्रिटी फनी. बट एनी वे, सो दिस वॉज द बेबी सेक्शन, राइट. तो बहुत बेबी के क्लोथ्स है. सो इफ़ यू गाइज वांट टू हैव किड्स आफ्टर कमिंग टू द UK, support that, so you can come to Primark to buy सस्ते बच्चों के कपड़े lol. But then this is like that section. Other than that, like I think ऊपर में क्या था, like it was the coffee section. So this seem like boys clothes, but I do not remember. So this is the lingerie section. Okay, so if you want to buy like really nice cute bras, which usually you don't get in India, this is the section. So £6 के लिए bra, which is a comparable price to India. Like India I think sometimes like better brands are more expensive, like Amante or all these brands, but यहाँ पे yeah, just like bras lol. So I won't like go बहुत detail में, because like I just want to give like the women privacy जो यहाँ पे खरीद रहे हैं. So I just like I'm trying to like not show their faces and things like that, but just to show you guys also some options की जो भी है. And let's just move on to the next section. So यहाँ पे you can find a lot of cute night suits and things like that for adults as well. पर वो बहुत बच्चों का like section था, तो मैं इतना गई नहीं, I did not explore it as much. So there's a coffee shop also there if you, in case you just get hungry. But then I just went like सबसे नीचे वाले floor पे, which is the men's and the house section. So this is the men's section, which is at the -1 floor. So underground है ये. So I'm just gonna show, because मैंने इतने सब ladies के बारे में बताया, all the women's clothes. So I'm just going to show the men's section pretty well. So that flannel was for £18. So as you can see, all these options you have यहाँ पे. So like all the prices were ranging from like 10 to 20 pounds. That's what I saw. So सबका मैंने इतना देखे नहीं, but like yeah, I do not like that shirt. But like you have so many options like that as well. So this flannel again for £18. So you have different bags you can buy which are more formal for like work or for college. So this bag is for £15. So which is not bad actually. It's a pretty good bag, मतलब sophisticated also it is. And this is all the, you know, कितने का है ये, 3.15 या 1.50 का था, I think 1.50 का था. Anyway, but you know, face washes, belts, shoes, pants, like all that you can imagine. I'm so sorry, मतलब थोड़ा नीचे से मैं वीडियो निकाल रही हूँ because like a lot of people were staring. But this is like a basic black shirt, you know, like for £6. So if you are working as a waiter or things like that, so you can just buy like a £6 ka shirt, that which you don't have to bring from India, you know, and which fits also pretty well. So this is again the ugly Greg section. If you're like a anime fan and if you like Naruto and things like that, uske bhi like you have so many options. So ye kitne ka hai? Yeah, if you could see the price point. Like sorry for the voice note, meko nahi dikh raha itna because I'm like editing on Premiere Pro, so like the screen is pretty small, so I can't see the entire screen while doing these voiceovers. Anyway, like if you like basketball, NFL के different t-shirts, Bulls and all these things. So I don't have a lot of knowledge about that, so I wouldn't comment. But yeah, like again this American branding वाले shirts, Atlanta, like where is London? I want a basic London का shirt. Like even while going back, मुझे मेरे भाई के लिए, mom के लिए से London और like some ऐसे nice t-shirts I wanted to find, एक भी नहीं मिला. Like all American things. Like even these NFL teams are all American teams. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So this shirt was for £16, and as you can see here, like this is a pretty nice shirt. Like I like this shirt, so you know, whatever. So these are some other pants you can find. So like I hope, like I'm just walking through this section, but you can kind of gauge ki kaise. Like if you can see that like there are £5 ke shorts as well, some random ऐसे wintery कपड़े as well. So overall you have good options to buy from. Really like shoes का section भी अलग है, वहाँ मैं नहीं गई actually, but like you have a lot of options, and that's pretty much it. So coming to the home section, which is like connected to the men's section. तो पीछे आपको वो दिख रहा है. तो home section में you can find everything from like बर्तन, like I don't know, like everything you'd have, like bed sheets, pillows, pillow covers, decoration material, like all of that. So you have a lot of options. Like for example, this mug right here is for 253. Sorry, nahi dikh raha. But like in Poundland, you can find a very same cup for like £1. So Poundland is even cheaper. So this is Primark prices, but still like a good amount of options. So like really rando stuff you can find here. So like I'll just take you guys around. So यहाँ पे आपको plates दिख रहे हैं. These are like random wine glasses. So I was trying to check the price, पर मेरे को वो दिखा नहीं. So never mind. But like you know, just it's not more than £5 I believe. Like सब यहाँ पे काफ़ी सस्ता है. So like यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है हमको? So yeah, these are like random napkins you can have in the kitchen or to clean. So these are about £2-3. Other building stuff, so hangers hai. So if you want to like build furniture and all also, so this racks you can build, so like 30 pounds ke liye you can have that. So which is, I think it's really affordable. Like if you think like when आप UK जब आओगे ना, आपको जो बाकी चीज़ों के प्राइस दिखेंगे ना, तो आपको समझेगा कि it is pretty cheap. Like I think compared to India तो भी हमको लगता है obviously कि थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, it could be cheaper, and India से लेके आते हैं. So definitely I would encourage you guys to bring a lot of stuff from India which is like affordable. But these prices मैं इसलिए आपको बता के रख रही हूँ कि so that you can gauge कि क्या ला सकते हो क्या नहीं. So like things like this towel. So this towel is for 10 pounds. So like 1000 रुपए के लिए you have this towel which you can get. So then don't buy, because like towel India से लेने के लिए takes up so much space, right? So this bath mat I am using in my room. So I do not recommend that one because इसमें बहुत पानी, like it does not dry fast. So that was a big issue. So I had to chuck it off and then buy another one and all of that. तो मुझे पता नहीं like chuck off करके भी same क्यों खरीदा, but like that time offer था तो मैंने ले लिया. So then again a lot of bath products. So if you can see, like in terms of towels also, you have so many options right here. So 10 pounds का एक towel, so whatever color preference, if you like teal or lilac or coral or blue or like whatever color you want, you have these many options for just towels. So which is pretty great, I would say. Then these are the candles section right here. Then fake plants, decoration items, like just imagine it, I think it's there like बहुत बहुत बड़ा है. So I think this is the biggest Primark I have been on in London, but I've heard like उसके सामने like even on Oxford Street like 10 मिनट पे there are I think 3 Primarks. So this is a duvet cover set. So आपका जो bed है so for the covers and all of that, so you need to check कि आपका bed का size क्या है, like king or queen or things like that, and just buy the appropriate size for your bed. So duvet covers, like I have bought all of my duvet covers from here. So I personally have the blue one. This is the one I use mostly, and I have a couple of other colors as well. White एक है and things like that, but I got it from Primark itself. So these are some pillow covers and things like that. So as you can see, like मतलब blankets and like मतलब सब का option है यार, like it's so good, and I really recommend to buy this blanket. So I have the black one. This is a throw-on blanket. Oh my god, in summers like it is so soft, like for 12 pounds. So I highly recommend just get that one, like love it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then from here niche se you go to the men's section, and that's pretty much it from my side. So this was Primark. So it's like a huge place with like really affordable things and really good cool options. So if you want to buy that, go ahead. If not, you can buy that from India at an even cheaper price. But don't worry, like अगर आपके suitcase and everything is becoming more heavy, then you can definitely consider buying from here. And I hope this video was helpful. Like I'm sorry मैंने अपना face इतना बताया नहीं because I got damn awkward because everybody is staring at me. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Bye.